Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about constructor overloading. So what is constructor overloading? Multiple constructors with same name but different parameters. Okay guys, let's take an example for better understanding of constructor overloading. First of all, we will declare a class, write class keyword, then the name of our class. Let's say over, and here we have to declare our data members. Let's declare private data members of our class. Int, let's say number, and a character variable ch. So let's also declare a, okay, we have to use multiple constructor with same name but different parameters. Let's oblique keyword constructor, the name of constructor and class must be same. So over constructor are used to initialize our data members. So we can initialize our data members here. Say number is equal to 50 and our character is equal to, let's say, x. So we have to define multiple constructor for understanding of constructor overloading. Let's create one more constructor with same name over, and it accepts two parameter. Let's say int n and a character parameter, let's say ch. Here we can initialize our data members. Numbers equal to n, because this integer will be assigned to this number, and our character, that is ch, is equal to ch. Let's call it c so that it looks different. Okay guys, this is known as constructor overloading with same name but different parameters. This constructor accept no parameter. This constructor accept two parameters. Similarly, we can define a third constructor which accept three parameters. Okay guys, let's create a function to show the values of these data members, number and ch. Void data buffer function void, let's say show function to show the values. Show cout number is number variable, end of line. And similarly we have to display our character. So character is ch and end of line. So I have displayed the value of number, our data member number, and our data member character ch. Now in the main function, we know that when we create the object of a class, the constructor is automatically called. So let's write over first. So our first constructor accepts no parameter, so it will be automatically called. Second constructor accept two parameters, so you have to pass two values here. First integer value is second a character, let's say 600, and second we will pass a character, let's say capital A. Okay guys, let's call our show function. So you contents of first character is so you have to put semicolon here. So first the operator and then the name of our function. So it will show the content of our this constructor which accept no parameters. See, here we have not provided any parameters. Similarly, we can say cout content of second constructor is, and here we will call our second dot show. Not character is the constructor. Okay guys, let's execute this program. So the content of first character is 50, number is 50, and character is X. Content of second constructor is number is 600 and character is A. See, our first constructor number is 50, so number is 50 and character is X. Second number is 600. See, in second constructor number is 600. We are passing this 600, so this 600 will be passed here. So we are assigning this n contains, we have passed 600, so n contains 600, so this 600 will be passed here, and this we are assigning this n contains 600, so 600 will be assigned to number, so number will contain now contain 600. Similarly, we have passed character A here, so this will be passed to this constructor. Why? Because compiler knows that this constructor accepts two parameters. Here we are passing two parameters, first is integer and second is a character. So this A will be passed here, so C contains A, so this A is assigned to this character. So when we are displaying using first dot show, these value will be displayed, and when we are calling our function with second object, then these value will be printed 600 and A, because we have passed here 600 and A. So number is 600 and character is A. So what is constructor overloading? constructor with same name but different parameters. See, name, and this constructor accept no parameters, and this constructor accept two parameters. First one is integer parameter and second one is a character parameter. So same name but different parameters is known as constructor overloading. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.